Welcome to the Mid-Ohio District. Our churches are not just in the middle of the state, real heartland country, they're also in the middle of life as disciples in today's Ohio. They are planted on the edge of farm fields, at country crossroads, and at town centers. We're rooted in faithful past generations, but we're also looking every day at new ways that people can experience the love of God. We found that the best way to do that is to put ourselves in the middle of where people are, where life is, where people are hungry or hurting, where they are addicted, and where they are working or playing. We truly believe that where we are planted is where we are supposed to be faithful, whether that is Richland, or Ashland, or Crawford, or Wyandotte, or Marion, or Morrow, or Knox, or Delaware counties. This is a team effort of ordained and licensed pastors and lay servants, of men, women, and children, of retirees, seminary professors, church members, and visitors. We invite you to use this site to find a church or a ministry, or a way to connect with people so that you can be in the middle of a life of faith.